Hey everybody, welcome back to the mailbag. Today we have a little quick one about your internal frame and how to remove it, how to put it back in. Truth be told, we do not design the bags with the idea that you can remove the frame. We'd rather you did not do that, but we understand in some situations you might need to remove it. So I'm just going to show you the best ways to do it. First thing you want to do is basically undo the roll top and then search for a baby blue zipper, which you can see right here. And then just look for where that zipper starts. On the Action X series, it's going to be in this back corner here. So look for the black pull tab, open it up, and then just pull this bucket out, and that should expose where the frame is located. Now you might not see it, but you'll certainly be able to feel it. And it's right here, and you can see it has this padded flap that holds it into place, and it's very tight so it doesn't pop out and limits any movement with the frame in the bag. It's just going to shave off little micro vibrations or movements that are inevitably going to steal energy from when you're out in the field. So to pop it off, you can either just pop it out, start in one corner and peel it back. You can do this with your hands and peel it back, but it is a little hard on the hands. What I suggest you do, take a toothbrush, maybe your roommate's, maybe your own, and then just take the end of it. This one's wood, but plastic will work just as good. And then just kind of put it between the frame and the binding here, and that's the green part that you can see here. Move it along towards the corner, and you'll just eventually pop it off. And then the other side will just come out super easy. It's going to be hard to see, but there's two little webbing loops that you want to put the legs of the aluminum frame into. So to do that, we will put those back in, push that all the way down. Now here comes the tricky part. Now most people aren't going to be able to do this with their hands. You'll be able to get it in the first one, and then getting this corner is going to be very difficult. You'll hurt your fingers. It is possible, but I'm going to again suggest you take the toothbrush and start from around the middle and just kind of leverage your way back in. Now you can see it does take some effort. Kind of tricky to do it from this angle, so I'm going to stand up and then just like that to get it over the edge. And there you go. So it's in. Definitely a little bit of effort's required and a little bit of finesse. But then once you're over, just take the corners of the frame and just kind of, massage it into place. And there you go. That's it. And then return your toothbrush back into your roommate's toiletry case, and then put the bag back in, find the zipper head, close it off, and you're ready. That's all you really need to do. Again, find something like a toothbrush that's got rounded edges, has a little bit of flexibility, and that's not going to cut into your lining material. So that's it for today. We'll see you next time on the mailbag. Thanks for watching as always. Like, subscribe if you're into that kind of thing, and we'll see you next time. Okay.